So sit back and enjoy this race as the 12 car jumps out into the lead. 74 Ben Hoos is in second, then Sherwood. Oh, look at Buckley coming up the inside. Oh, he gets crossed up, goes onto the grass, rejoins the race, didn't pass anybody on the grass, so he's okay there. Bit of wheel banging going on between 6 Neville Thompson and 10 Jordan Russ. So it's 12 Brent Hoos leading from 46 Levi Sherwood, 74 Ben Hoos, then 94 Matt Buckley. Then we've got the 10 car of Jordan Russ, 6 Neville Thompson. Buckley just having some issues there, just wonder if he bent something in that little bit of contact that he had. Seems to have found his rhythm now though. Oh, he runs wide though. He gets swallowed up by Russ. So he's back to 5th place. Oh, 10 Jordan Russ. He had a bit of a scary moment there. He got a big wobble on. What Levi Sherwood would call a tank slapper. You have to think Matt Buckley's got some handling problems because that car's certainly not running on rails like it was in the first heat. But in the meantime, 12 Brent Hoos is leading from 74 Ben Hoos, 46 Levi Sherwood, 10 Jordan Russ, 6 Neville Thompson, 94 Matt Buckley. And that 12 car, that's out by a long, long way. Matt Buckley, he's just got to get that car home in one piece. So 12 Brent Hoos continues to lead, 74 Brent Hoos, Ben Hoos in second, then 46 Levi Sherwood. Laps are counting down now. I think it's going to be the white flag out next time around. So it's white flag for 12 Brent Hoos. He's got a length of the straight lead over Ben Hoos and Levi Sherwood. Then we've got Jordan Russ in 3rd place. Neville Thompson in 4th. Matt Buckley in 6th. But checkered flags out for Brent Hoos, 12V. He takes a very comfortable win over 74 Ben Hoos, 46 Levi Sherwood, 10 Jordan Russ, 6 Neville Thompson, 94 Matt Buckley comes home in 6th place.